Super
Wow.
stuffy nose. And I
Magpanghinga.
feel sleepy when I have stuffy nose. I feel sleepy for some reason.
Yeah, let's all send some
I think
love.
it's allergies lang. So don't you worry, guys. Kasi kanina when I touched the fan, sobrang alikabok pala. Medyo na-trigger pa siya ulit.
Yeah.
Pero okay na.
Magpahinga ka. Let's
Oo.
let
Hmm.
Diana sleep, you guys. And I just want to thank you guys for helping me expand today.
Support.
Sobrang appreciate
Oh.
everyone. Isa-isa.
But we had fun fixing the fan with you.
Talaga. It was a
Also,
journey,
watch
but
you
we made
getting
it.
frustrated.
It was very frustrating. Sorry, I swear that should have took at least quarter of the time because
Mm,
I lost everything. But
yeah. Yun yung
oh,
nagpatagal eh, yung small piece na yun. That's what made it so hard to assemble.
they're trying to scare me. They just said may tao sa likod ko. Hello?
Maybe.
Ako lang. Salamin lang. Hello, lovely.
Nakakatakot nga lang pag may mirror sa kwarto, no? Tapos may nakita ka.
Wala
Katabi
ako
mo.
pala. Hello, lovely. Alright, let's take a picture. Say goodbye.
Yeah,
Say
let's take a
goodbye.
picture.
Thank you
Good
guys.
thing hindi pa antok si Frankie. You look so fresh. Even, what time is it there? 10 or 11?
It's 10:48, so nearly
Oh my
11.
God, you still look fresh. It's like
The,
past 7 here and I
the ring
look.
light, it's all the pawis from the hard work.
Oh, sana all maganda pag nagpawis. Oh,
Tama
yeah.
po. Sana all maganda kapag sakit. Diba, guys?
Ay!
Hello, 0805.
No.
Hi, you guys.
Okay, picture na tayo.
Picture na tayo. We're gonna say goodbye. Wait.
Oh my
Wait.
gosh, internet.
Your day?
I forgot na. Ito ba?
Other side? Ako? Wait, maybe you say that. Wait, I feel like I'm wrong.
Yan, ayan, ayan. Yeah, tama.
Thank you, Lemon. Magandang buhay.
Maganda ako. Thank you guys for joining us today.
Joining us today. We'll see you guys next time.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Maybe we should do one where there's more talking, less fixing a fan.
Next time, let's figure out what should we fix next.
Yeah, suggest na kayo sa Twitter.
Let's do some challenge.
Oo. Let's
Oh.
Christmas, since 1 month na to Diana's birthday and Christmas, let's do some Christmas activities, some games, and yes.
Oo nga.
Kumu.
And we should prepare a Christmas performance for them.
Oh, yeah.
Our secret one.
Secret.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye. We love you.
Oh, yeah, we can do truth or dare.
Have a good rest.
See you. Get some rest, Diana. Make sure you guys wear a mask.
Thank you. Have a good night with your fan. Sleep well.
Thank you. I'm excited. I'm gonna sleep. No, French Powys tonight. Love you guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care there.
Bye, Diana. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.
Bye. Love you.
Bye. Bye.
Oops.
Bye, guys. Thank you talaga. Like, to those who watch this whole stream, I really can't believe it, but I'm sorry that I was so annoying fixing the fan. And I'll see you guys next time. Mahal ko kayo.